I'm back on the road again. Oh, so happy because of it. And I'm gonna share with you in this quick tip today. I'm gonna share with you a little quick checklist that you should do before you put your bike back on the road. First, check the tires, the pressure. Okay, mine was so low. Such a long time without riding. Then check the brakes. See if it's working fine. No cables broken. You know, everything's working fine. Check your saddle and check the range. And check for oil, you know, in the oil chain. That's very important. Okay, that was a very quick tip. And I'm very happy to be on the road again. So cool. I love it. I miss it so much. If you did like the video, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And let's ride it.